if you are new and just joining me, my name is Mysherri Rhodes. I am the tax GPS helping you to navigate your way through taxes, also known as the trucker's accountant. I help trucking companies to pay the least amount of money in taxes, increase their cash flow and their fleet, all while staying in compliance with the federal and state tax regulations. Okay, so I'm going to hop right into the information. 3 things that will stop you from getting audited from the IRS. No one wants to get audited from the IRS. So my first main thing that I want to talk to you about with getting audited from the IRS is that you want to make sure that your charitable contributions is going to match what your income is. So for example, if you're an individual who, let's just say you make $50,000 annually, your net after all expenses and everything, you've netted $50,000, but you have wrote off like $10,000 to $15,000 on your tax return. You know, the question is, does that make sense? Will a person donate over $15,000 when their net income is $50,000? So you want to make sure that. I have had it in the past where I was like, I see someone who makes $50,000 and they're like, oh, but your tax professional wrote off $50,000. Like, how are you going to write off all of that when you only made that? So that is one of the red flags that you guys want to definitely make sure you're paying attention to when it comes to an IRS audit. I'll make sure I touch on everyone. Taking losses. So the next one is actually taking losses from your business that has nothing to do with your business. So I'll give you an example. So let's just say we have a trucking company and they're trying to write off a camera. You know, what did you need that camera for? What purposes did you need that camera for to write it off? That is a red flag if you're writing off things that has nothing to do with your business. So I want to give a couple of examples of what you write off when you are a trucking business. So an example would be you're going to write off your tarps, your chains. You're going to write off maybe a scale that you paid. What you're not going to write off is you're not going to write off I bought 3 or 4 cameras so I could take pictures along the way. That's not a part of your business. If you have another business that has to do with you taking pictures and buying cameras, then okay, you claim that on your other business. You don't put that on your trucking business, because the last thing we need to do is get audited or raise a red flag to the IRS. And honestly, with trucking, you guys have enough expenses. You just got to keep up with the expenses and not claim those little things. Like if you have you put an inverter in your truck, yes, claim that. But everything is not going to be deductible, or it doesn't look good if you're putting that deduction on your tax return. My last one that I want to talk about, the third one, and this is, when I tell you this is huge, I need you guys to take this in, digest it, and spread it to the masses. The number one red flag that's going to get you red flagged is not claiming all of your income. And that, I'm going to say that again, not claiming all of your income. So for example, for my trucking companies, not claiming all of your 1099s. You have people out here, you have the trucking companies out here, and they're reporting the 1099s. So say if you have 3 1099s and you're like, man, that other 1099, I haven't got it yet. Or you're like, I don't want to claim that on my taxes. The IRS already got it. It's going to red flag it. And if you don't put it on your taxes, they're going to be like, okay, so what else is this person? Okay, send me what I need for this income. You said you only had $100,000 come in for your income. That's what you had. And then the IRS says, well, we got another $100,000 over here that you didn't claim at all. You have to claim it all, because if you don't claim it all, it's going to raise a red flag. And if that raise a red flag, then you're open up to an audit. And an audit doesn't say, oh, you claimed that thing wrong. An audit says, oh no, let me look at this year's taxes, the last year's taxes, the previous year's taxes. You don't want to open up that can of worms. So I want you guys to be cautious of what you are deducting and make sure that it makes sense for your particular business, whether you are a trucking company, whether you are a hairstylist. Like a trucking company doesn't need to be claiming that they bought shampoo and what do you call it? The dryers, the hair dryers. If a trucking company is claiming that they bought shampoo and hair dryers, that doesn't make sense. Maybe the trucking company, maybe you and your wife, you own the trucking company, she owns a beauty salon. Then that is two different businesses. And it should not be included all on one. You want to make sure you separate it so that you are not raising the red flags. Okay, so just in case you guys are just now joining us, we are talking about the 3 things that will get you audited on your tax returns, and we want to avoid that at all costs. So I want to talk to you guys about what exactly an audit is. So an audit from the IRS means that they want to come in and they want to look at your information. Okay, this information doesn't match. We want to make sure you're doing everything possible. And let's be honest, the IRS is coming in to make sure that you're paying them all of their money. So you want to avoid claiming too many. These are the 3 things. Claiming too many charitable contributions and it does not match your income. The second one is failing to, what is the second one I messed up? Oh, claiming things that do not match your business. If you own a salon and you're claiming that you bought a truck, that doesn't match your business. And then the last one, and I preach this, the last one is claiming all of your income. Especially for my truckers. You claiming all of your income. You got that 1099 coming in. You have to claim it because the IRS already has it. So if you guys need any information, any tips and tricks, go ahead and follow my YouTube channel. It is YouTube and Instagram. I am the Truckers Accountant on YouTube and Instagram, where you can find tips and tricks about taxes and bookkeeping, just to keep you abreast on everything. I know that, we're winding down. We want to get everything taken care of, and you don't want to be as stressed. So go ahead and get that started now rather than later. I also offer free 15-minute consultations. I would love to hop on the phone with you, get some more information about what your business is, and if I can be a resource to assist you along the way, I would definitely love to hop on a coffee chat with you guys. And oh, by the way, I wanted to let you guys know that, oh wait, why was I letting you guys know? Oh, I'm going to do a giveaway. I'm going to do a giveaway for a gift card for one lucky person. One lucky person. I want to do a giveaway. When you like, share, and comment on my video, I want to do a giveaway, and I'll announce the winner on next Wednesday when I do my live. I want to announce the winner, give you guys something for Christmas, and all you have to do is like, share, and comment. So I want you to do all of those things. And if you are my friend, if you are my family, like you want to know how to support me, this is how you support me. Go ahead and like, share, and comment on my post. And I'm going to do a giveaway next Wednesday on live. I'll put all the names in the hat, pull them out while I'm on live, and I'll read your name off. And then I'm going to contact you so I can get your information and send you a $50 gift card. So until next time, my name is Mysherri Rhodes. I am your tax GPS, helping you to navigate your way through taxes. See you guys later.